Hi guys, we have another new product. This is aluminium mobile robot chassis and it's in purple color. So it comes in the set. Today I'd like to show you the packing list and how to assemble it. It might be in two videos, so let's get started. So what you will get, you get two wheels. So it's in white color and black, where the wheel is black. The robot chassis itself coated in purple color. It's aluminium, it's lightweight and it's very strong. Come with a lot of holes. So just for you to look at the chassis itself. And we have two TT motors, plastic gear, screw, bowl and nuts, and iron ball caster. So that's what you have. Now let's get started to assemble it. First is the TT motor. So TT motor, if you notice, there is a bump on one of the side. Although the shaft is both two-sided, but there is a bump. This bump actually indicates that the wheel should be connected or mounted to this shaft. Okay, so let's assemble this. It should be this way, so the bump should be at this hole, and you can actually use the bowl provided. So let me take out all the screw and nuts. And like this, so the bowl, like this, and you screw it up, you tighten the nuts. Need a Phillips head. You can use long nose to hold the nuts while you tighten it. So again, the bump to the outside. Now your wheel, I think it's quite straightforward. There is a special hole which is designed for you to plug into the shaft of TT motor. So just push it in. Okay, and it's quite firm. Okay, and you can further secure the wheel to the shaft by using the self-tapping screw, which is in the packing list also, and it's in black color. So you have a chassis with two wheels. Okay. Now it's the caster. The caster, let me turn it over. So this is the back, this is the front, and there's two holes here, specially designed for M3 bolt. So you have successfully assembled a robot chassis, mobile robot chassis. So hopefully it's helpful. I'll show you the Arduino mounting hole later. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, do subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thanks, bye.